one you need to know. I'm the man.
Our first equation is over there. Okay. Is the equation over here? Is the equation over there? Is that the equation? We found it! How are we gonna solve it, Boots? Well, I learned this at the Weber School in 9th grade Miss Ivester's math class, Algebra 2. And if you have two expressions, polynomials that is, that multiply to each other to equal 0, then you can set each one of them, sorry, that's my monkey writing, to 0. Look at that. I took that and put it there, and I took that and put it there. So, now that we have that equal to 0, we can deduce that that is y equals, subtract -2 from both sides, subtract, yes, -2. That is one of our answers. And we can also deduce that y equals 28. Never mind. Not 288. Just y equals 28. Because we add 28 to both sides of the equation. Therefore, we have both of our answers. Now, if we want to write our answers out, we write them with an awesome little shape that looks like a parenthesis, but it has a little bubble on the inside. We write 228. Don't forget the negative, Boots. Oh, never mind. It's a -2. That's our answer, folks. Yay. Now that we know the answer is -2 and 28, let's go find where -2 and 28 lives so we can find the next equation. Where's -2 and 28? Is that -2 and 28? Is that -2 and 28? How about this one? Good job! Hi, -2 and 28.
Hello.
Do you know where the next equation is?
Well, yes, I saw him just last week. I think he's around, maybe under the basketball hoop.
Under the basketball hoop?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, thanks, -2 and 28.
Yeah, no problem. Here, for luck, take my answer.
We found it, everybody, but it's awfully high. Hey, Boots, can you get it?
I think I can. I mean, I am a monkey.
Yay!
Got it, Dora.
So our equation is x squared plus 19x plus 80 equals 10. First thing we have to do is make sure this equals 0. So let's subtract 10 from each side. And we get x squared plus 19x plus 70 equals 0. Now we just have to factor that. What multiplies to 70 and adds 19 is 15 and 4. So we have x plus 15 times x plus 4 equals 0. Now we do exactly what we did the first equation. We make sure each polynomial equals 0. So x plus 15 equals 0, and x plus 4 equals 0. So our answer is, when we subtract the 15 from each side here, 4 from each side here, our answer is -15, -4. And that's your answer, everybody. Okay, Boots. Let's find -15 and -4.
Okay, Dora, let's go.
Hi, -4 and -15.
Hello.
Well, do you know where the next equation is?
Oh, of course. He's right on the back.
Thank you. Can you solve this one, Boots?
I can. It might be a little bit tricky, though. All right. So now that you have the equation set to 0, I copied that down into the conveniently placed workspace below. Okay, so now that you have it in the conveniently placed workspace below, all you gotta do, well, first of all, you know that x minus 7 squared is the same as writing x minus 7 times x minus 7. Yay! Okay, now that since that's already done, you multiply that by this polynomial. Now this polynomial you can simplify by using difference of squares. And so what you do is you know that both of them are x. And you also know that one is plus and one is minus, because that is what difference of squares states. Okay, now you find the square root, take out the negative there, find the square root of 16, and that is 4. So now all you gotta do is plug in 4 into both of those spots. So that is that factor. So you put in x plus 4 and x minus 4. And so now you set every single one of these to 0. So copy all of them and set them to 0. X minus 7 equals 0, x minus 7 equals 0, x plus 4 equals 0, hello, x minus 4 equals 0. Okay, so now that you have these set to 0, all you gotta do is add, well, for this one you add 7 to both sides, you add 7 to both sides, you minus 4 to both sides, you add 4 to both sides. Oh my god. Okay, and then what you gotta do is you cross all of these out. So, you take each one of these. This one is x equals 7. This one is x equals 7. This one is x equals negative 4. And this one is x equals 4. So your answers, written out with a little parentheses with a bubble inside, are negative 4, 4, and 7. Now, when you have two answers that are the same, you put a little symbol that we like to call the double root symbol. Also, there's a triple root symbol, but we will talk about that later. Double root symbol is when there are two roots to one problem. So you write 7 double root, because it comes up 2 times, parentheses bubble. That is your final answer.
You're a smarty pants, Boots.
Thank you. It's all child's play.
Hi, negative 4, 4, and 7 double root. Hello. Do you know where the next equation is? Let's not waste the viewer's time. Let's just look at your map, Dora. Okay. Thanks, negative 4, 4, and 7 double root. Anytime.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need to know. I'm the map.
The equation is in the porch. I found the equation! Well, this is a tough one, because it's a function. That's okay. We'll make f of x 0. Let's rewrite that equation. X squared plus 8x plus 16 times 4x squared minus 64. Okay. For this one, you can use this is a perfect square polynomial. And this one, you can use difference of squares. Now, for this, what multiplies 16 and adds to 8? 4 and 4. So x plus 4 times x plus 4. Awesome! Now we use difference of squares. 2x times 2x equals 4x squared. So we'll put 2x here and 2x here. Plus or minus, the square root of 64 is 8. Awesome! Now we make everything equal to 0. X plus 4 equals to 0. X plus 4 equals to 0. 2x plus 8 equals to 0. And 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Awesome! Now, we subtract 4 from each side here and here, it's the same equation. And here we both have x equals negative 4. X equals negative 4. Then, here, we subtract 8 from each side, and we divide negative 8 by 2. So x equals negative 4, and x equals positive 4. Cool. Now, we use the weird parentheses thing for the bubble. Negative 4, triple root, and 4. Because negative 4 appears 3 times. And that's our answer. Let's find negative 4 triple root 4. Is that negative 4 triple root 4?
Is that negative 4 triple root 4? How about that? Is that negative 4 triple root 4? You're right! Hi, negative 4 triple root 4. Do you know where Candy Mountain is?
Yes, oh, I do. You've come to the exactly right person. Me, negative 4 triple root 4. Candy Mountain? Oh, this is a tough one. I think Candy Mountain is on the stairs.
The stairs? Thanks, negative 4 triple root 4.
No problem, buddy. It's all child's play.
Dora, we found Candy Mountain. Where is it? Right here, on the stairs, just like negative 4 triple root 4 said. Oh my god, we made it! Thanks for watching today's episode of Dora the Explorer.
Boots.
Oh, when you're down and looking for some cheering up, then just head right on up to the Candy Mountain Cave. When you get inside, you'll find yourself a cheery land, such a happy and joy-filled and perky merry land. They've got lollipops and gummy drops and candy things, oh, so many things that will brighten up your day. It's impossible to wear a frown in Candy Town. It's the mecca of love, the Candy Cave. They've got jelly beans and coconuts with little hats, candy rats, chocolate bats. It's a wonderland of sweets. Ride the candy train to town and hear the candy band. Candy bells, it's a treat as they march across the land. Cherry ribbons stream across the sky and to the ground. Turn around, it astounds, it's a dancing candy tree. In the Candy Cave, imagination runs so free. So now, Charlie, please will you go into the cave?
Us that if you see two, can you start over?
It's going in the bloopers.
Wait,
No.
no.
Now that we know the answer, let's find the place that says bracket. Wait, no.
Okay, Boots.
Yeah.
Okay, Boots. Let's find 15 and 4. Can you solve this one, Boots?
I can. It might be a little bit tricky. Wait, I have a question.
Jeremy.
I'm getting the pen, broski. Okay, let's go.
Go.
Ask me a question.
Oh.